Hey guys, it's in Soldier right here. I just want to do a quick video about how to install SSD in a low budget laptop or a old laptop. Yeah, so I've got SSD right here. I've got computer screwdriver right here. Yeah, I've got my USB so I can boot Windows on it. So yeah. So at the moment it got the 32 gigabytes of eMMC, yeah, storage. So you see, you see the storage on our phones, so you use it to as I was saying, guys, so this is where the SSD, so this is where the SSD will be inside of the laptop. Yeah, placed in the laptop. Yeah, so what to do is I have to just use a screwdriver to unscrew this. Yeah, just loosen the screw. Yeah, anti-clockwise, I believe. Yeah. So so right now I'm just turning it. Yeah. Yeah. So for other laptops they might have two, three, or just one like mine. Yeah. So this laptop is the ASUS E402S. Yeah. Yeah. So ASUS got like other models like the E403 SA. I mean, yeah, the E402 SA and many more. Yeah, you can get the ones with the SSD, but it's of course a bit more money. Yeah, so I only got this laptop for like £200 with £10 voucher from August. Yeah, so I saved £10. Yeah, which is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. Yeah. So you see, what you just put your finger under it and just remove it. Yeah, so this is where my SSD drive will be in. So you can put a hard drive as well. Yeah, as I told, like 1 terabyte, any size you want. I mean, not any size, like any capacity you want. Yeah, but it's better to go with SSDs. So yeah, so you use less current and better performance. Yeah, yeah, and then you'll be able to boot up to Windows, Hackintosh, Linux, Chrome OS, or other operating system you like to boot up. Yeah. So this is what the inside looks like. Yeah. So I'm gonna be right back, guys. So yeah, because I need to just unbox this SSD. So it's 128 gigabytes. Yeah. So I believe it's Dravo X1 Pro. Yeah, but on my previous video, I only just got the Dravo X1. Yeah, 240 gigabytes on my desktop. Yeah, this baby out here. Yeah, it's one yeah, yeah, 11 machine. Yeah, one source, yeah. So I'll show you guys like how fast it runs and the results as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is what the package looks like. Yeah, so this is the box. There's also you got the service card. Yeah, got 3 years warranty. Yeah, so it says that their customers, thanks for purchasing Dravo product, blah blah blah, and you just email them so that if you got any problems with it. But yeah, that's it really. Yeah, so I need to do is just open this. Yeah. So so I've got the functions and and the message below. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this solid state the solid state drive can read up to 560 megabytes per second, and yeah, the write is 500 megabytes per second. Yes, I remember on the one in my multiplex 755, it's like 560. Yeah, it could be 560 megabytes per second on read. Yeah, but for write it's like 470 megabytes per second. Yeah, but I might be wrong, but yeah. Now I'll put the yeah the correct information. I mean, on the screen. Yeah. So if I'm wrong, yeah. So this baby's going in. Yeah, 128 gigabytes of storage. Yeah. So the way to put this in, it's got to be like okay. So the small part needs to go. So this could be the small part. Yeah. And the big part to go in here. So what am I to do? Yeah, just switch it around. Yeah, I think that, yeah, that's the way. See, yeah, so just put it in like that, guys, and I think yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, and so if I want to put it out, then you can just actually you can do that, but yeah, but it'll be in. Yeah, that's it. Really? Yeah, it's done. Simple. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, guys. So I put back the cover on the laptop, yeah, and the screw back in. Yeah, so now it's time to boot up the laptop. Well, guys, so I just built up my computer. Yeah, so at the moment it's still on this eMMC storage. So well, guys, I'm on device manager, so I just want to make sure I need to find out whether this hard drive is installed. Yeah, okay, I mean the SSD, yes, it's on there. So what I need to do is just look at the eMMC. So yeah, so it's a Samsung one. Yeah, but the thing is with the Samsung EM yeah the eMMC is that it's not fast as the the SSDs. Yeah, but they are faster than any typical hard drives out there. Yeah. Yeah, so about the eMMC, yeah, is that you see, I've got 32 gig, yeah, but according to for this PC, yeah, yeah, Windows Explorer, yeah, it's saying I've got 28.3 gigabytes, yeah, gigabytes, yeah, but I've got 4.65 gigabytes left. Yeah, so that is including like the updates, yeah, from Windows. So I'm saying, what the hell, like, why? Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, so take lots of space. So it's better to get at least 128 gigabytes of storage. Yeah. Go for SSDs, guys. Trust me, because trust me, it's worth it to do it. Yes, so if you've got that, so you've got a low budget laptop like this, yeah. But I know for sure, yeah, so that you get a laptop which is below £200, yeah. I'm really below that, yeah. Yeah, you won't, yeah, you won't be able to put SSD because obviously it only allows you to put eMMC storage only, yeah, no SSDs or hard drives, yeah. Yeah, so it's recommended to get SSD, yeah, cheap one. What I just put in. Yes, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this USB 3.0. Yes, let's see. Yeah, 64 gigabytes. Yeah, it's fast, very fast. I got it for like around £27 or £22. Yeah, from Asda. Yeah, a good bargain. Yeah, brilliant. It's fast as well. So what I can put it is wait, actually hold on. Nah, that's the USB 2.0. So I want to put it in 3.0. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, the SS. Yes, that's it. Hold on, one second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. So as I was saying, yeah. So this is the yeah, the USB 3.0 port. Yeah. So it's like same times fast, and then USB 2.0. Yeah. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna just insert this USB in. So I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. So just bear with me, guys. So I'll be right back in a sec. Brilliant news, guys. Yeah, just put it in. Yeah, so yes, I've got the windows up there. So yeah, this is for bit. Yeah, yeah. So what I done is I use Windows media creation tool. Yeah, to do it. So obviously when yes, obviously I pay for that term, pay for Windows. Yeah, so it's cool. Yeah, yes, I can just use it to join. Yeah, so I can make a copy. Yeah, on a USB. So if anything happens, if anything goes wrong with this laptop, I can just just do another one on a different computer. So if I've got a computer, yeah, I got as long as it's under my email, so it's good. Yeah, yeah, and same for you guys. So now right now what am I gonna do is I'm gonna install Windows or the SSD. Yeah. So so it's gonna take forever. So guys, I'll be back with you. So I'll let you know. Yeah, how it goes. Yeah, I'll give you highlights to do it. Yeah. So as soon as you get the important updates. Yeah. Yeah. So what I do is yeah, better just click on at the moment. I can just do them later. Yeah. And just click on next. Yeah. Yes, doing some bits and pieces. Yeah. It's a lovely laptop, you know. Yeah, this is like the cheap version of a white MacBook. Yeah. The 2006 model, yeah, to the 2012 model. Yeah, it's one of those ones. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, with this webcam, but the webcam is not that good, but it's alright. Yeah, but if you want to get a better webcam, just buy one of those Logitech webcams. Yeah, they're brilliant to get. Yeah, and would you just put it over the webcam? You can just do your vlog and other stuff. Yeah, and would you just click that set? Yeah, so I'll show you guys. Yeah, how to install on the SSD. Yeah, all right, guys. So I'll be right back. Yeah.